I'm Allan Cave. I do packaging, branding and fit outs for a mixture of hospitality and the alcohol industry. You're generally trying to find what's interesting or unique about a client, how to tell their story and how to execute that idea or messaging in an interesting manner that's going to stand out and speak to people. For hospo signage, you're often trying to make something that either integrates into the environment around it or that really stands out and talks to people from a distance. Radikal have been great. They've always been able to fabricate everything that we've looked at. You do find you can do a little bit more with the budget that's available, and fabricating and sending to site worked really quickly, really effectively. You've really got to look at what the underlying message is and what the underlying idea of things are and figure out what an interesting execution for that might be. Try to find a little bit of the unexpected in the design process and find out how to execute that in an interesting manner. It's going to give you a way more interesting end result.